channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. And I also do bonus uploads, so you're going to want to subscribe right now. I have an oldie but a goodie for you today. I've already worn this wig a few times, so this is going to be more of like a show and tell. What I did to put her on today, I will include after I talk about her. Who are we talking about? Okay, we are talking about Sensationnel's Inna, and she's part of their instant fashion wig couture line. I have her in the color SOM1433. It says that she is heat safe up to 350 degrees, and I scooped her up from Wig Types for $13.45, so under $15. I love the coloring of this wig. This is a full cap wig with a skin top parting. There's no combs in this wig. There are adjustable straps. Because there's no combs, I did put a wig grip on, and you will see me putting the wig grip on and how that all works. I really love this wig. It is a beautiful yaki texture, probably 20 to 22 inches long. I think the density is very natural. I wore her a few times, and you can see I can easily run my hands through her. There's going to be a little tangling in the back, obviously, but I just put her on after she had been laying over here. This to me reminds me of Free Trust Equals, where they have the 30-33 colors, where it is sort of this light 30 color, and then the 33 is a little bit darker, and it's more of it like an auburnish color. She is a right-sided part. Bangs are not too crazy. Bangs are actually pretty long, so I really like that because you know I don't like bangs. Let's look at her from the back. Nice movement on her. This is her full length. Yeah, I really like this wig. I think this is quick, easy. She's cheap. She's pretty. You could get her in a couple different colors. Really easy, like just, you know, go ahead and throw her on and just look cute without a lot of effort. So I definitely recommend Inna. If you have Inna in a different color or this color or whatever, if you have Inna in general, please put that down below. Side note, there's not a lot of shedding either. And if I didn't say, she's a yaki texture, which is very nice because it's good, but it's not too shiny, and it's very easy to like just comb out and get tangles out. I just wanted to say one more thing. As I was filming the intro, I realized that the way this girl is layered, let me just comb her real quick, she would be so easy to sort of cut to keep the longevity. So if you see these 2 layers here, if you were just to pull these out and cut everything to this layer, it would be such a cute length and just really easy, you know, to keep the longevity of this wig, because usually it's the bottom layers that have a lot of issues with getting ratty and things after long-term wear. So I just wanted to add that in because I did notice that when I was filming the intro, and I wanted to share it with you. If you want to see a review of another sensational wig, please put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye.